What's up guys, my name is Kenji and welcome back to my channel. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this intro behind the car is because the wind noise, you can hear the wind, it's terrible. So what I've got today is what everybody's waiting for. My M2 competition and the RS3 over there. Okay, so I have to do this. The wind noise is too bad. I mean, it's very bad. So the RS3 obviously is a very powerful car. We all know the RS3 and we all love the RS3. 0 to 100 is 4.1 seconds. My car's 0 to 100 is 4.2 seconds. Obviously Audi's Quattro and mine's rear wheel drive. So it will be quite, I'm hoping it'll be quite close, but I don't mind if the Audi RS3 will be faster on the launch. So we're going to be doing a launch race today as well. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. We're going to be doing rolling races as well. So this is going to be kind of like my thing. I have a few cars lined up already, a TT RS. I've got a beautiful Uno Turbo, strong Uno Turbo lined up as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down what you think of the results. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Time for the RS3 versus M2 competition. The video that everybody's been waiting for. I've been waiting for this too. Okay, we're trying to figure out. Oh wow, that was close, that was close. I thought it would be much bigger gap. Alright guys, we're gonna be doing rolling now. Damn, he's good. Sure, damn, that car is definitely fast on launch. Okay, well,
but I can already see that you're gonna come for me, eh? Because you did
towards the end. You saw towards the end. I was coming for you, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my word, I need the aircon on. But the aircon needs to be off to do this. Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Oh, must I switch mine also off?
Up to you.
But I don't want my aircon off and I'm gonna sweat inside here. Now your traction control must be back on again, eh?
Yeah. I've got the MDM mode on now. We're on par.
Right. Right.
Yeah. 3,
Right,
2,
go.
1, go! Yes, finally, I won something today.
Yay! I think if we do an 1 or 2, we might see a slightly different result, eh?
What? Like do it again?
Yeah, win me, eh?
Let's do it again.
We can just check. We must just make sure the 1, 2, 3 go is all on par.
Okay, I think
But,
the next one you count.
Your car.
Let's make it fair.
Yeah.
Next one you count.
Yes. Hey, but your car pulls very strong, very strong. Are we gonna go down that way?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go this way.
Okay. So what speed are we gonna go?
40.
Let's go now. Let's go
Okay.
on 30.
Okay, right.
1, 2, 3,
go!
Go!
sis. What happened there? What happened there?
That's why I told you. That's why I told you. If we go again, then we might just get a different result.
That's interesting. That's very interesting. Okay, let's do a third one. You count.
Okay.
Okay, and then we go a
Yeah.
little bit higher than that. Let me tell you something. The lower the speed, right, for you to launch, right? It's better for you because you got Quattro. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when you at a lower
Also,
speed,
if we're higher speed, then
correct.
it's more torque for you.
correct, and I
Okay.
will definitely be quicker for you. All right, guys, we're gonna redo this now again because the first rolling run I definitely was stronger. The second rolling one, the Audi we were doing a bit lower, about 20 k's an hour, and then we sped up, which means that the Audi was in its power band with the Quattro. Obviously, you know, that was, you know, no question, definitely faster. But now that we're going to try the higher speed rolling run, which I'm very confident that I'll definitely be much faster. Okay, so I mean, like, there's no joking here. It's so technical stuff that I've got to do. I got to concentrate because there's so many variants about, you know. Oh, I'm sweating. Let's just go.
Yeah, let's go
3.
to 60. Let's go to 60. 60.
Okay, 3.
I'm off. 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright guys, so not much talking on the outside because of the wind. Just got home and it's still pretty howling outside. So we didn't really talk much on the outside. We basically talked from the inside of the car. Yeah, so pretty surprising race. The kilowatts is almost the same. I mean, like 394 and 302, 294 kilowatts with the Audi RS3, and my car's got 302. Torque difference obviously a little bit different, but I mean, you know, 0 to 100 the same, 0.1 seconds. If I had better traction, maybe it would be on par, but you know, I can set the traction down or up, but I need to play around with that still. But other than that, it was a good race. I mean, these two cars are very similar kind of outcome on the real world application, obviously, and that's what I do. You know, I like to show you guys the real world application on the empty comp versus whatever other car. The other thing is the Quattro on the RS3 is amazing. If you hit the power band right, at the right gear, I think that RS3 is invincible. That Quattro just grabs traction and launches and it's gone. Where my car, I can feel that it was struggling a little bit of traction on lower rolling runs, but yeah, no, but the last one I definitely got him, and I was on a second gear instead of third gear, so at the right gear, at the right I was at the right torque curve, which means yeah, I won that one. So very, very, very on par. Very interesting. Guys, I hope you really like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, give me a comment, say hi, and please click the subscribe button. See you guys next week. Cheers.